The Owen James Report is brought to you by
This program is brought to you by the Grace Kennedy Group. We choose to care. Grace Kennedy Money Services has been here for you and your family, here and abroad, because we understand that you're receiving more than money. You're receiving their love. Grace Kennedy Financial Group has been here for you because we know it's more than just investments, insurance, or banking. It's about security and creating a path to realizing your dreams. For 90 years, honesty, integrity, and trust. The Grace Kennedy Group, we choose to care.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. History was created in daily trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange today. For the first time in at least over 5 years, there were no advance in stocks on the daily trading summary sheet. With the economy still in a recessionary mode and company results lukewarm, the index has fallen by almost 8,000 points, or 8.6% since the start of 2013. Today, 21 stocks traded, with none advancing, 10 declining, and 11 holding firm. The main JSE index fell by 662 points, or 0.78%. There was heavy trading in JMMB, which held firm and accounted for 83% of the 9.8 million shares traded. The history-making 10 stocks declining were Carreras, D&G, Dolphin Cove, Jamaican Teas, Lasco Distributors, NCB, Sagicor Investments, Sagicor Life Jamaica, Scotia Group, and Supreme Ventures, today's biggest loser, down 6.2%. Over in the United States, American stocks fell today as financial shares slumped and investors watched speeches from the Federal Reserves for clues on monetary policy. The benchmark Standard & Poor's 500 index fell 0.5%. It has suffered a cumulative loss of 1.4% over 3 days, given back all its gains from the Federal Reserve's unexpected move last week to maintain stimulus levels. Generally, though, the S&P 500 is up 19% for the year. On the Jamaican foreign exchange market, the benchmark American dollar traded firm at $102.85 Jamaican. However, both the Canadian dollar and the British pound strengthened against the local currency. The Canadian dollar gained 11 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $99.86, while sterling strengthened by 30 Jamaican cents to close at $165.64. President of First Global Bank, Maureen Hayden-Cater, is the new president of the Jamaica Bankers Association. Mrs. Hayden-Cater was unanimously elected president at an extraordinary general meeting of the JBA last Friday. She has pledged to continue the work of her predecessor Bruce Boyne in collaborating with key stakeholders such as government, the regulators, and all Jamaicans to maintain a stable banking sector and facilitate growth. Finally, a Canadian insurance firm, Fairfax Financial Holdings, may be coming to the rescue of beleaguered BlackBerry Limited. BlackBerry said today it has reached a preliminary deal with one of its biggest shareholders, Fairfax Financial Holdings, for about $4.7 billion, jump-starting a process to find better offers for the struggling company. Fairfax currently holds almost 10% of BlackBerry's shares. Now, though the deal is not complete, BlackBerry's share price, which plunged 17% last Friday, rose 1.2%. The company, which has nearly $1 billion worth of unsold phones, plans to slash its workforce by 40%. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by
This program was brought to you by the Grace Kennedy Group. We choose to care.